Good day, everyone. It's me, Teacher Ray. Let us learn mathematics easy and fun. Quarter 2, Week 6, Mathematics 4. Visualizing decimal numbers using models and renaming decimal numbers to fraction. But before that, recite skip counting by 2, 3, 4, by 5, by 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let us have a review. Tell what kind of fraction is shown below. Number 1 is 2/4. What kind of fraction is 2/4? Yes, proper fraction. Second one, 7/6. What kind of fraction is that? That is improper fraction. How about 2 and 1/4? Yes, mixed number. Now, look at the illustration. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes. And there are 6 shaded cubes. What kind of fraction is that? Or what fraction is that? So the 10 cubes represent the whole. 6 out of 10 cubes are shaded cubes. So ibig sabihin, sa 10 cubes, 6 ang may kulay. This can be written as 6/10 in fraction form, or 6/10 in decimal forms. 0.6 is read as 6/10. The denominator has 1 0. It tells you that there is 1 digit after the decimal point in the decimal number. Ibig sabihin mga bata, the denominator has 1 0. So ang denominator natin ay 10, meron siyang isang 0. Ibig sabihin, isang digit lang after the decimal point. So, we have 6 after the decimal point. Pagkatapos ng decimal point, may isang digit lang tayo, yun ay 6. Dahil isa lang ang 0 na nasa denominator natin, so we have 6/10. 6/10 is equal to 6/10. So this one is a fraction form, and 6/10 with decimal is a decimal form or decimal number. Another example, we can use grid in representing a fraction and decimal. Okay, so this grid has 100 cubes. 100 cubes represent the whole. So this is 100 cubes. Out of 100, there are 12 cubes are shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of 100, there are 12 shaded. So the fraction form is 12 over 100 can be written as 0.12. Read as 12 hundredths. So 12 over 100 or 12 hundredths can be written as 12 hundredths in decimal form. You will notice that 0.12 has 2 decimal places because we have here 2 zeros in our given. So, kung 2-0 ang nasa given mo or yung denominator mo ay may dalawang 0, of course, dapat after ng decimal, meron tayong 2 digits. Okay? So, since 12 naman siya, kaya naging 2 na siya, so we have here 12 hundredths as decimal form. Another representation we have here using a number line. No? So, a number line has 1 to 10 numbers. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 post. So, meron tayong mga poste na 10. From here, 4 yung shaded part o yung color red, yung may ibang kulay, yung 4 yon. Now, from 10 or out of 10 posts, 4 are colored. So, meaning we have 4 out of 10 or 4 over 10 can be written as in decimal form as 4 tenths. Since meron tayong isang 0 sa denominator natin, of course, we have only one digit in decimal. Okay? Tandaan, kapag 10 ang denominator, isang digit lang din dapat after ng decimal. Pero kung 100 naman yan, for example, this one is 4 hundredths. So what will be the decimal form? The decimal form will be 0 point. So we have here point. Since isa lang siyang number, di ba? Isa lang siya yung number. Kailangan dalawa yung number natin after the decimal. So we will add 0 sa unahan ng 4. So that's it. Now, one decimal place. Ibig sabihin, isang decimal lang after, isang digit after ng decimal point. So, we have 5 tenths. 5 tenths. Ganito siya isulat as decimal. 4 tenths. This one is the decimal form. 8 tenths. This one is the decimal form. 9 tenths. This one is the decimal. These are the decimal form. And these are the fraction form. And these are the lowest form. Now, when we say 2 decimal places, the denominator is 100. Look at the example. All denominators is 100. So we have 2 decimal places in our decimal form. And these are the lowest form. And now, for your learning task, you will answer learning task 4, page 31. Answer 1 to 5 only. Rename. Pag sinabing rename, gagawin po ninyong fraction form yung decimal form. No? So, we have here 75 hundredths. So, as we read this na given 75 hundredths, so what will be the denominator? 35 hundredths, number 2. Number 3 is 90 hundredths. Number 4 is 80 hundredths. Number 5 is 9 tenths. Dali lang yan. Another task is learning task 5, page 31. Answer 1 to 5 only. Disregard nyo na yung number 6. Huwag nyo nang sagutan yung number 6. 1 to 5 lang. Rename the following fraction form into decimal. So, kanina, nagsagot kayo ng gagawin yung fraction yung decimal. Ngayon, baliktad naman. Yung fraction naman, ang gagawin nyo namang decimal. Okay? So, write your answer in your paper.